Look at this. Welcome back to another video. So in this video we actually have a line of storms heading our way. Oh, it's windy, it's windy. It's actually good that the sun's going down because there's a lot of lightning in the storms that are still developed, obviously. And it'll be pretty awesome if we can get some lightning on the drone video. Alright, we got the drone out here again because the storms are getting closer. So, oh, there's a tree. Okay, we're good. I just want to get some lightning. Oh! I just saw some lightning. I think I got that. Yeah, that thing is blowing up. Hopefully it'll continue. There's a lot of lightning in that thing as it moves closer. That was a good one. Wow, that was a good one. Ooh! Let's go! Look at this. Not much lightning. Just a lot of wind. Alright, we got the second wave coming in now. Nope. Wow. Wow. All right, it's settled down. Wow, that was good.